the giveaway in this bag is... So guys, welcome back to new coffee talk video. I don't even know where to start today because there's so much stuff I need to give you guys updates on. I'm actually still wearing a sticker because Jason and I went this morning to one of the high schools here in Brooklyn, and we were doing our confidence, social and emotional learning workshop. So we did like really fun, like kind of team building and like fun like exercises. Jace, how would you describe this?
I would describe it as an unbelievable experience where we were helping kids be creative and work in teams together.
Exactly, I like that. So we have a little break and then we're gonna go back for like a second round. I think I've never like fully explained what we were doing, but this is a 1-year program and we went in there already 3 times. So it's been so much fun, and it's fun to, you know, create the workshop with you and to actually like do it with the kids and see like, you know, how we can like inspire everyone. Anyway, it is also freezing cold in New York City because I am finally back. Maybe I'm just like not used to it anymore. So it is freezing cold here, and I cannot wait to move out to LA. I've mentioned this already before, and this is also something I want to chat about today. But because it's so warm, I was like walking on the street and I was like, what am I craving? Matcha or like coffee? And then I saw this like advertising outside of hot chocolate, and I was like, oh my god, that's what I want to eat. So I found like this recipe online for Mexican hot chocolate, which I've never made before, and I think by putting like cayenne pepper in it makes it Mexican. So I'm gonna make a vegan hot chocolate to like warm up and cozy up, because it's nice like sweater weather and we need like a hot drink for that. So step 1. So super smart. While I'm grabbing all the ingredients, I see I don't have any cacao powder, so I'm just gonna do some improvisation. I have obviously milk, and I did find some raw chocolates in espresso in a team of coffee talks. And then I found also this protein powder which has chocolate flavor from Welco, so maybe I'm gonna put a little bit in this. Hopefully it's gonna turn out well. My hot chocolate is ready. I'm not gonna drink it because I burned my mouth big time this morning on like hot matcha, so warning. It smells really good though. I think the substitute for cacao powder for like the cacao protein actually worked. But I'm just gonna wait until it cools down like a little bit. Sit down here. Yeah, I want to show you guys quickly like while my hot chocolate is like cooling down a little bit what the situation is going on here, because my life the last month has been kind of a mess. So what you see here all in the back is kind of my life on the last like month. I have been traveling so much, up and down to LA, went to Tokyo and there, and we have mentioned already that we are gonna move out to LA. So I went there a couple times this month to find an apartment, find a place, and yeah. In the meantime, we are like packing up everything here in the apartment, sorting everything. Honestly, it's just crazy how much stuff I gather within 1 year. I'm just like the biggest like clutter person in the world, and I'm really trying to get rid of my stuff, but I just can't. I just find it like wasteful, or like sometimes I donate it. But I'm like, yeah, let's gather a lot before I'm going to donate it. So literally also here the whole apartment is like full of stuff. I will show you guys actually the upstairs situation. I also got a lot of like souvenirs and stuff from Japan laying everywhere. So this is my closet right now. It was that suitcase downstairs, and ta-da! Oh my god. So this thing is just for like bags. Oh my god. So yeah, this is kind of a stressful situation, like right before the holidays. But hopefully before the end of the month we can like figure this out. But also like, I don't know about like all these shoes. I probably need to go through it. And I also need to do like some Christmas shopping for like my family. But I also have a little surprise for you guys, because you know, I have started this channel about 2 years ago. I think like exactly 2 years ago. Okay, still not drinkable. Hot. About 2 years ago, and many of you guys have been there from the beginning, and I feel like coffee talks are one of our favorite videos. Not sure. And today I want to say like a big thank you as well, and because it's Christmas time I want to do a little giveaway. I have a little present in here. I'm gonna put my camera down. So the sticker's still on there. Okay, so the giveaway in this bag is, because it's almost Christmas time, or it is Christmas time, I don't know when this video is going to be posted, is this bag from Marc Jacobs. And how can you win this? Follow me on Instagram at Sanne Vloet and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite Christmas memory, and also what would you like to see next year on the channel, and I will pick someone and get this gorgeous bag. I will also make a couple of like skincare packages with like all kind of cute products. So I will choose another 5 people, and I will send you guys a little Christmas package. Da-da-da. Oh, there's this like little layer on top. I absolutely hate that if that's on milk. I know like some people like really love that, but not for me. Okay, we're gonna try that. It's really good. I also put a lot of chocolate in it, so probably that's why it's tasty. Actually, the fact that it was an espresso chocolate, I think that really helped. This is delicious. So this is all vegan, sugar-free hot chocolate. I will put the recipe in the description down below. I'm sure you can use any kind of chocolate in this. This is good, like comforting. And I have some other news. Last year during November we did a wellness month, and unfortunately I was so busy this November that we couldn't do it, but I'm going to do it this January. So, you know, after the holidays I feel like we can all get together, our community can help each other out, and we can come back to the channel and we can do a wellness month full of like workouts and like healthy eating. And yeah, we probably like need that after the holidays. Jay, we need to go soon?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now?
In about 3 minutes.
Oh, okay. I am going to get ready And don't forget to comment and follow me on Instagram if you want to make a chance on winning the Marc Jacobs bag. And yeah, I want to say already happy holidays everyone. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And maybe this is my last coffee talk in this apartment. Oh my god, I didn't realize that.
It's a little sad.
That's so sad. That's so sad. The last and final coffee talk in here. Oh guys, see you guys very soon.